This is the GMAT 41 Support Student Education Initiative Program. You are welcome to our mathematics class for junior secondary school students. In this video, I'll be teaching you directed numbers and the number line. Before I move on into this topic, I want to urge all of you and appeal to you to talk about this program to your friends, to your families. Encourage them to contact us in order to join this program that is specially designed in order to improve students' background and understanding of mathematics and science. Remember, this program is free of charge and it runs on WhatsApp and Telegram. For more information, you can contact us. Here on the board, we have our contact numbers. In this topic, directed numbers and number line, what are the objectives? What are the things you're expected to learn at the end of this topic? When we are done with this topic, you should be able to identify directed numbers. You should know how directed numbers move on a number line. And of course, you should be able to solve problems using number lines. The problems you solve in this case are directed number problems. To start with, I want to ask you, have you seen a number line before? Have you worked with a number line before? Well, I would like to show you what the number line looks like. The number line is simply a straight horizontal line. Okay? On this line, at a point, we have 0. Now, this 0 divides this number line into two parts. The right-hand side of 0. That is where you deal with positive numbers. Remember, positive numbers are numbers that are plus. So, we could have something like 1, 2, 3, and the numbers continue. Is that okay? And then to the left of 0, you have negative numbers. So, have -1, -2, -3. The numbers still continues. You have -4, -5, and to nowhere, right? Does not have an end. Now, did you observe something in this number line? This number line, like I said, has two parts. And now 0 divides this number line into the two parts. If you're moving to the right of 0, then it means that the directed number is plus. When you hear directed number, it simply tells us that the number has direction. Is that okay? The number has what? Direction. You can put all this down as you're watching this video. Make a note of them. However, we also have our notes uploaded on our Telegram channel for this program. So as you join, you would see the notes fully. Now, like I said earlier, if I am moving towards the right, it gives me a positive number. It means that the movement on the number line will be towards the right. So let me put plus like this. Be moving towards the right of 0. And then when I have a negative number, it means I'll be moving towards the left of 0. So let me put negative here. That is all about the number line. Where you move from and where you stop depends on the question given to you. When we solve problems on this, you would understand where we start moving from on the number line and where we stop. Alright, having said that, another important thing you're expected to know before you can be able to solve questions on directed number using number lines is sign arrangement. Mathematical signs like plus, minus, when you have times between them, what are you going to get? Remember, like I said, directed numbers are numbers that have direction. If you see plus, the direction is towards the right of the number line. If you see minus, the direction is towards the left of the number line. So, since directed number is all about plus, minus, what should we know when plus and minus are arranged such that they follow each other immediately? There is no sign, no number between them. Let us look at them, please. You copy these also into your notes. If I have plus, plus, two numbers are given. Between the numbers, I have plus, plus. Are you following, right? This plus, plus still means plus times plus. What this would give to you is plus. Put this in your brain. Plus times plus will give you what? Plus. Now let us look at another one. What if you have minus minus? This is the same as minus times minus, and minus times minus will still give you plus. Did you observe something here? When you are dealing with the same signs, what you expected to get, the result will be plus. When you are dealing with the same signs, what you get will be plus. Alright? So you could see that here. When I had plus plus, what it gave to me at the end is plus. When I had minus minus, even if it is minus, but remember it's the same minus minus, the signs are the same. So minus minus, which is the same as minus times minus, what you're going to get will be what? Plus. So that is what you should observe here. The same signs being multiplied will give you plus. Now, what if you have different signs? So let us look at that. Just imagine you are dealing with something, you have plus minus. This plus minus is the same as plus times minus. Plus times minus will give you minus. What if I arrange it this way? Minus plus. Minus plus is still the same as minus times plus. Minus times plus. Alright? And that minus times plus would still give us minus. Wow. Once again, did you observe anything? Look at what I saw here. If you're dealing with different signs, what it will give to you will be minus. If you're dealing with different signs, what it will give to you will be what? Minus. So remember this. We need this knowledge in order to be able to solve problems on directed numbers. Remember, when you're working on this number line, if you have plus, it means you are taking your movement to the what? Right. If you have minus, you are taking your movement to the left. Well, I believe that you understand what I have just explained. If you have any question, you can always send your question to us through the channel or the platform that we are using, Telegram or WhatsApp. But you have to join us first. Like I said, this program is without charge. Now, we're going to pick questions and solve using this number line. On the board here, we have 5 questions. And these questions, we are going to solve them one after the other. Are you ready? Let us see how it goes.